India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi has vowed to severely punish atrocities against women after the rape and murder of a female doctor triggered widespread protests. Thousands of women walked through the streets of West Bengal. Demonstrations have also taken place in other cities, including Delhi. Protests and strikes by medical staff have been fuelled by anger over the initial handling of the case, with accusations of an attempted cover-up by the local authorities. These people in Kolkata are demanding change.
We feel that on the eve of independence, we women also need our independence back. And for a long time, we have suffered this sort of insecurity where we couldn't roam the streets at night, we couldn't go anywhere. Even if there was some kind of emergency, we couldn't leave our homes. We had to stay inside because of this insecurity, this fear of men outside who could potentially harm us.
Now, as a woman, I travel by public transport every day and I get harassed each and every day. But we have normalized this. We think that it is normal to get harassed because it will happen. We are born as a biological women in this country and this will happen in our country. But I think enough is enough. Now it's time to like rise out in protest, rise in rage, because this cannot go on.
Well, our correspondent Salman Ravi gave us this update from the demonstrations.
Women from across different professions have assembled here in Kolkata, braving heavy rains and the odd hours of night to reclaim their space, to reclaim the night, as they say, because this is after a rape and murder incident of a medical student in one of the prestigious hospitals of the city. That gruesome murder of the medical student had sparked off fierce psychosis, especially among the girls and especially among the working women who go out on night shifts in the city, working in different organizations. This was a gruesome murder, and there were protests from the doctors and the medical services in Kolkata and the state and in different parts of India remained paralyzed, crippled because of the demonstration and protests by the doctors who are demanding a fair investigation, though the matter has been handed over to a prime investigating agency of India, the Central Bureau of Investigation. Similar protests are being organized in different parts of the country, and in Calcutta also the protests are being organized in different places. Here the women, civil society members and even activists have assembled here. There are students, there are housewives, many of them have come here, and they say that the night should be equally peaceful for women as it is for men. They should also feel the confidence of traveling and going out to work in the night.